Okay, say that's Demi, and that's Daisy. So you can kind of see them playing. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Daisy's definitely going to be bigger than Demi. Say Demi's going to be a little bit smaller. They both are good little girls though. Hey girl. Hi girl. Hi Demi. Hi sweetie. Yes, there you go. Alrighty.